To make a catapult, a very simple and fast catapult, you'll need 9 tongue depressor size popsicle sticks. You'll need a plastic spoon. You'll also need a few rubber bands and a piece of aluminum foil. Now we're also going to use a hot glue gun. If you have one, great. If not, just make sure you've got an extra rubber band. You can attach it that way too. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is take 7 popsicle sticks and stack them all together. So make a nice big thick stack and secure them together with your rubber bands. You can go ahead and twist it around and around. You just want to wrap the rubber band around a few times so they stay together. You're going to do that once on each end, just like so. Once you have your stack of 7, go ahead and set it down and grab 2 more popsicle sticks. And you're going to stack those together too, one on top of each other. And you're also going to use a rubber band to go around and around and secure the end. But make sure you only secure one end. This end we'd like to keep open, just like this, because we are going to slide in the fulcrum into that open end. So it looks like this. Again, I've got my rubber bands on 2 sides and on one side here, but there's no rubber band on this end. Take your last rubber band and we are going to connect these 3 points together, just like so. We're going to start on one side, cross the rubber band over, and cross it over again. And I'll do that one more time. So we're going to simply connect these 3 points on the catapult and secure them together with a rubber band. Make sure there's no rubber band on this side at all. So the rubber band actually just connected these 3. Okay, you're actually almost ready to launch. Take your popsicle stick and attach it to your spoon, and you can either use a rubber band to secure the 2 together or you can use a bit of hot glue. If you're using a hot glue gun, just run some hot glue down the top of one of the sticks and press the spoon on to the hot glue. It'll take a few seconds to dry, and when it's dry, you are ready to go. Take your sheet of aluminum foil and scrunch it into a ball. Your ball goes here, catapult goes down, and all you have to do is release. Now this is just a simple catapult. Can you make this catapult better? Can you make it launch farther? Can you extend maybe the ends here and put the spoon out way over here? Maybe you can use additional popsicle sticks to increase the length of the arm. Can you use extra popsicle sticks here on the fulcrum? Maybe instead of using 7 in a stack, you can use 9 or even 13. What do you think would work best? Go have fun.